Hey, my name is Ali from Manage Petrol team. Today I want to show you how you can use the RFID pen, assign a RFID tag to a unit and scan it and find it through a dispatching. Then this is how we start. We start with just turning on the unit by pressing the on button. As soon as it starts flashing the blue means it's trying to detect the RFID. Then you can go to the device, Bluetooth, and find the exact same unit number which is matching the serial number. The serial number is 4735. This is already connected because I previously connected this device to this iPad. This device using a technology called HID, Human Interface Design. Literally means is replacing the keyboard. It's become a wireless remote keyboard. Whenever we are scanning a tag, is punching that number from this tag on a screen for you. Okay, that's the reason down later you're gonna see that the keyboards will not pop up when you have this device on. But there's a solution to bring it up later. Okay, we have the device on, is already connected to the iPad setting. Now go to Manage Petrol system. Now, how you can scan a tag? Let's imagine this is a tag that we want to find it and see if it's attached to this customer's location. Then you put the cursor on a search box and you scan a tag. As you can see, the tag number pop up, but as this tag is not attached to any unit, then you say, hey, this is a new unit. Do you want to add it to the system? I'm going to ignore it because I want to assign this tag to one of the existing unit. Therefore, as you can see here, some of the unit has an ID. Any unit that has an ID means there's a tag attached to it. And if it said NA, means there's no unit assigned to it. I'm gonna use intentionally one of the existing one and replace the tag for it. I'm just gonna select this one, okay? And this tag already has an RFID. Let's imagine the tag somehow is removed. I want to assign this tag as a replacement. It's the same process for a brand new unit. You click on the RFID button. If there's an existing one, it shows you the existing one. You're gonna wipe it out and replace it with this one. But where is the keyboard? That's the reason, because this device is on, you don't see the keyboard. If you wanna bring up the keyboard, click on the keyboard icon down here and say show keyboard. Then you can delete the old number. Now scan the new tag. This is the new number. You press OK. Now the new tag attached to this unit, which means if I'm going back to previous screen and if I search for this tag again, now the unit found and this tag is already attached to this unit. This is how we are, connecting a pen to the device, attaching a tag to a unit and searching a unit through the dispatching to find it. Thank you. Please be in touch if you have any question about anything in Manage Petrol, and our team can help you to figure it out or train you on demand. Bye-bye.